So let me show you how my house normally looks pre-installation. One, because my house is really tiny and everything has been happening really fast, and I'm very grateful for that. And yeah, but we are still there in the process of what goes where and how it will all happen. And yeah, let me show you how my space normally looks pre-installation. So those are the pillows that we normally sell. We do sell pillows and covers that are thrifted. So those are the pillows that are going for the makeover. This is my suitcase. This is how I normally pack. That is the stand that I DIY'd for my client. We have a mirror over here. Hii ni yake. That is also for another client. We also have frames over there. And we also have a bench that I made and some shelf and the ladder. Yeah. So basically that's how my house is looking. So one thing that I'm finding very challenging is vitu zote hata nikiamua tuseme niziweke kwa shop tuseme tau in a different space. Oh, and we have easy. So yeah, I can't like put them leave them like when you buy one, because delivery is very expensive, and sometimes to collect zote once then deliver once is easier. Another thing, that time for collecting, I still work alone. Yes, I have a team that helps me during the major makeover, but easy makeover kidogo, I work alone. I do the admin work, I do the sourcing, and also do the installation. So you can imagine how chaotic that is, but we are getting there. We'll be having a team very soon, and the goal is to have a team very soon. We are getting there pole pole, and also I also need to move from this space. One, because it's tiny, and two, which is very major, because it is raining. I don't know if you can see over there. That is the situation. My house is very cold, and having the problem that I have with my system, my breathing system, we really need to look for a space. But I kunanyesha, and I'm in between projects. It's so hard. I've tried working with the tunatafutianga watu nyumba, but I think my preference is a bit complicated, which make it even harder for them kunitafutia. So maybe I will look for a day that niko free. I'll call a friend to zurure. But yeah, that's where we are. My house is a mess right now because I'm packing for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be doing the delivery and installation, and hopefully finish the same day, because the makeover is not that big. It's just minor changes here and there. So yeah, I'll see you in the makeover, and I hope to record it. I really want to like document it, but I'm still getting I'm still trying to find the balance between everything that is happening. And sometimes when you install, after the install kit, we go like, oh, I wish I could have recorded that, but I never record. So yeah, we are still trying to figure out that sector. That's why even on YouTube we are a bit inconsistent. I have so many videos that I have to edit and upload. In that same breath, I have a lot that is going on in my personal life and also in my work life. Yeah, let's say this is the season where tunakimbia tukihema. We are really hammering, but we are really grateful. Above everything, we are so grateful to God that let me tell you guys, it's just like nimelana. Na mimi mtu anakuja niamsha niambie, you know what, tulikuwa tunaota, but everything is so new to me. Everything is so promising, at the same time so scary. I don't know if that makes any sense. And the fact that I'm working my way around trust issue after the last relationship. Yeah, we are a mess, but we are getting there. So I have 2 projects currently running. One is I have 3 projects currently running. One is in Kitengela. The team is continuing doing the work over there. The other one, tumeanza the process of quotation, consultation, blah blah blah, your process ya kwanza. And now this one, which is going to finalize tomorrow, yeah, or in the course of the week. So yeah, I'm so grateful. So guys, I hope to see you in that video when I start doing it. Hi guys, so this is the early morning, so we are going to do the installation. So let me all the things that you are going to take for installation. They're easy, so I'm just waiting for my cab. Okay, need to talk, but I've already worn my outfit. That is me.